First of all, I've set up some folders. If we have a look at them, I've got a project folder, then I've got 3 subfolders. That's going to be a gradient background eventually, and I've got a set of folders for here. And in there, that base is going to be but this is empty, and this one's empty. So we're looking at those. First thing to do is go and try that little isolate plugin. Open a sample and try it out in the tools menu. Isolate. If it works, great. If it doesn't work, then you might as well just pack in now. I can't think of any other way of getting rid of a background on Pixel Graphics. So there's a couple of attempts. Now to open some blank canvas, it's just so that the next filter shows in the tools menu. Patch convert. We've got operations here. Various, combine, overlay and custom. Start off with a custom. We can ignore those and those and those, but I need to change this one to using the isolate plugin, and it looks like that. PDB Python foo with underscores isolate image comma layer brackets, all in brackets. See it there. And I need to set the input folder to my projects base folder. That's the one with your 10,000 images in it. The output folder goes to the second one down for images with no background. I can ignore the rest. Don't use PDF, don't use all those. We should have, go and do a little look at it in that second folder, images with no background. It is, just check those. You can now go into filters, re-show that one. This time I'm going to use the combine, selected under the images. So I need to select one, which is, if you remember, that's a background image, one with a gradient. Offsets. Don't want any offsets. That background is exactly the same size as the other images. Can ignore that, but I need to change my input folder, which is now that one, and the output folder I'm going to fill, that's the output folder, one with the added backgrounds. Don't use PDF, don't use, ignore those. And we got that. And if I go and look in my added background, I've now got these images with an added background.